I just decided I should be recording an intro. Alex, say hi to the camera. Hey! It's wide, man. You're in there. Look at the gloves. Ooh! Lord above. What's up, YouTube? It's Kurt with Good Idea Moto. Again, video number 3, maybe, or it's a clip. Who knows? Got Alex here on the ZX6R. I think it's a 2019. She a beaut. Woo! Woo! Going down to meet up with the usual crew. Oh, I just want to like put my neck down, catch the wind. My particular arrow will send that wind right down my back, and boy do I need it. I think it's like maybe 75 degrees out, so I shouldn't be complaining, but you know, I'm wrapped up like a human sausage, so I'm gonna whine about it. But I'm safe. Who doggy am I safe? Thank you, bus. So yeah, we're out doing a routine rip. The weather's just been yucky this whole week, so you gotta get out when you can. And I don't know, motorcycling, man. I wonder how many people who watch these videos are motorcyclists versus aren't. If you're not, and you're trying to see what it's all about, it's just freedom, man. It's just freedom in its purest form. Something really special about it. Call it throttle therapy for a reason. There's so many different little mental and physical inputs that you have to be mastering the whole time that you're actively doing it. You know, your left foot, your right foot, your left hand, your right hand, your eyes, they all have jobs to do. And in my opinion, it's because of that it really is clearing your mind in a special sense, and not in the way that you would normally visualize clearing your mind. It's kind of clearing your mind because there's not room for anything else. Obviously, the better you get at it, the less that is the case. You know, and here I am recording a fucking vlog while doing it. But for the most part, I mean, when you hear big gaps in my sentences, and I cut a lot of those gaps out, it's because I don't have the mental capacity to take care of my category 2 shit, which is recording this video. My category 1 duties being not getting myself killed and riding properly. But it is special. It is very special. This fucking guy. Ooh. I don't need to be. Look at him go. Oh. But yeah, I mean. Oh, that's what's up. The R35. I love me a GTR. Purdy. Real purdy. Yeah, anyway, it's freeing. It really is. I think the first time that I really got a sense for how freeing motorcycling was outside of what I just described was the first time outside of the MSF, the Motorcycle Safety Foundation course there, or whatever, where, you know, I had just basically learned in a parking lot doing no more than maybe 30-35 miles an hour. Right, the first time outside of said safety course was on my first bike out on the open roads. It wasn't a super powerful bike, and just getting up to like 50-60 miles an hour out on some back roads. Not crazy fast, but just like, it was an upright bike, and I just kind of had this moment where I was just a torso fucking cutting through the air. You feel the wind rushing around you. It's just so visceral. There's really nothing else like it. You're piloting your own roller coaster, and it goes wherever you want it to go, and that feeling never really leaves you. So to all the non-motorcyclists watching this video, if there are any, give it a shot. Go take your local course, see what you think about it. It's not for everybody. If it doesn't scratch that itch for you, then don't do it. Don't force it. but you never know. It's a sport like no other and a community like no other, and the friends that I've made through motorcycling are some of my best friends in the world. They're it really is something special. Anyway, that's my rant. We're back to regular riding bullshit from this point out. Alex here is borrowing the ZX6R from a friend of ours. I'm happy about it. Haven't seen Alexy boy in a while. Good man.
There was something in my fucking ear.
In your ear? Whew. Oh.
What the fuck?
Oh, he's going to say hi. He gave himself an uphill backup. I gotta remember to put my visor down even when it's not comfortable, because the sound is so much better. I almost gotta like shout.
Oh,
You guys can't talk. I can't join you. You can't talk.
wait.
Fucker. So what's the topic of today's vlog, El Fabuloso?
Topic of today's vlog is...
Ooh. Oh, fuck, Mormons. That is a horrible spot for Mormons to be walking. Horrible. There's gonna be a couple Mormon stains there when we come back.
Especially when like buses and shit, like, takes over the corner.
Yeah, bro, that's a double kill.
Oh. Who that?
He's gonna hoon. I'm gonna have to hang back. I can't ride like that.
Don't worry. Don't worry.
No, I told him I've been riding really slow lately, so he'll know. Always somebody passed on this line. Without fail. You think so? Yep, we are.
Feeling good?
Slow.
It's okay, me too.
You two, fuck off. Gravel? slow my ass. Alright, well, the day's winding down. We're gonna go meet up with Jaime. There's some kind of bike meet happening at the InNOut, because Oregon has InNOuts now. Haven't been out with Jaime in a minute, so we'll see how he's doing. He just bought my Ducati last month, so he still has his R3. I don't know which bike he's gonna want to take. I guess we'll find out. Oh, can we not stop? Come on, no feet down, no feet down. Yeah, baby. That is very bright. I cannot see just about anything. It's a good sign, huh? Okay, if I get down here like this, I can kind of see things. Somehow. Ah, here we are. He's got the Ducati. Oh. What's up, dog?
What's up, man?
You ready to go?
Yeah.
I should probably get gas.
Yeah?
Yeah, I've got 130 miles on this tank. I mean, I can probably make it to Kaiser and back.
Oh, let's get gas.
I have to start this. There we go. Okay. Sorry. All right, dude, you can go. I think I spooked her with the startup. Yeah, you said your cousin, right?
My cousin is coming to shape something good.
Your secret's safe with me, man. 3.3 gallons. 130 divided by 3.3. Where the fuck do we go to get in there? Because it's like way on the other side, right? Oh yeah, there's a little parking area up here. What's up, man? Kurt.
Kurt? I'm
Yeah.
Nick.
Good to meet you.
I like your Daytona.
Thanks, man. Kurt.
Nice to meet you.
I think I've seen you around before. Do you ride the 500?
No, I have a little 250.
Okay. Yeah, what do we got?
Yeah, mine's the middle.
Okay, yeah, we got the 650, the 250. And then this is a ZX6R, right? Yeah. Nice. 400 and an MT. I like it. Fuck yeah. All right. Hi, man. I just left that little motorcycle meet. It was pretty cool. There were like 13, 14 bikes there. A couple of people coming and going. I guess that's only the third one they've ever had there, so if you're in the Salem, Oregon area, feel free to post up at the Kaiser InNOut, as if you were going to avoid it anyways when you want those sweet, sweet burgers. They're apparently going to some other spot downtown that I want to say I have an idea of where it is, so we're going to see if we can't go hunt it down. Hi, man, I here. And then at some point, I'm going to close this fucking video out. Love that mural. Let's sneak in on the sidewalk, man. Whew. What's up?
You never been here?
I've never been here sober. I've certainly never been here on a bike.
Your bike's a beautiful picture. My friend, she used to bring her Honda Civic up here. I'm a fucking guy around.
All right, good idea, Moto fam. The night is at its end. We're getting ready to roll out of here. I'll call you. I think that's going to be a wrap on today's video. Once again, second attempt tonight. It's Kurt from Good Idea Moto signing out. Bye!